Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the exciting world of drones and how kids can use them for hands-on learning. Ready to take off? Let's go! So what exactly is a drone? A drone is a type of flying robot. It's controlled remotely by a person using a controller or an app on a smartphone or tablet. Drones come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny toy drones to large ones used in professional filmmaking and even search and rescue missions. But how can kids use drones to learn? Here are some awesome ways. First up, coding. Many educational drones can be programmed using simple coding languages like Scratch or Blockly. Kids can learn the basics of coding by programming their drone to perform tasks like taking off, landing, or flying in a specific pattern. Next, problem solving. Flying a drone isn't always easy. Kids have to figure out how to navigate obstacles, stabilize the drone, and make precise movements. This helps develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Then there's STEM learning. Drones are a perfect tool for exploring science, technology, engineering, and math concepts. Kids can learn about aerodynamics, physics, and even geography by using drones to capture aerial photos and videos. Teamwork is another big one. Flying drones can be a fun group activity where kids work together, plan flight paths, and solve challenges. It promotes collaboration and communication skills. And don't forget creativity. Kids can use drones to create amazing aerial videos, conduct experiments, or even build obstacle courses. The sky's the limit when it comes to their imagination. So there you have it. Drones are not just fun to fly, they're incredible tools for learning and developing a wide range of skills. Whether it's coding, problem solving, STEM learning, teamwork, or creativity, drones offer endless possibilities for kids to explore and grow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the reminder bell for more STEM-tastic content from the STEMtechie. See you next time!